Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed all the scenery inside the cabin, but now it's time for us to go exploring the Great Smoky Mountains. You ready to party, babe?
Yeah.
Heading to the Laurel Falls Trail. It's about a 25-minute drive from our cabin, and it is going to be a 2-hour hike round trip. So 1 hour each way. It's about 2.5 miles, and it is considered a moderate difficulty trail. So we'll get on there. I'll get the good camera out. Hello, squirrel. And we will do the best we can to get the best, coolest footage we can so you can enjoy watching this vlog. Hi, turkey.
I didn't see the turkey. Oh, okay, we gotta go. Where was it?
Right on the side of the road. That's why I slowed down. On the left. Right,
Oh,
on
I
the,
didn't even
right there.
see it.
Look, you can still see it.
Oh, hello.
So we found our parking right here. We're gonna switch over to the good camera while we go through the woods, get some awesome scenery. Our gear for today is obviously the camera, it's the tripod. So we get some cool pictures. We got our backup power brick. God forbid we get lost in the woods, we can charge our phones, try to figure out how to get back on our way. You know, the phone, we downloaded the maps offline on Google, so even though we don't get service here, we still have maps and a pair of binoculars there, just in case we need to look over a large valley and we see some wildlife or something we can check out, something cool. And in the backpack we got bug spray, sunscreen, stuff that we pretty much probably don't need today because it's gloomy outside. So Tootie's in there getting ready to come on out, and she's just sipping her coffee. She's got a backpack, a little bit of coffee, and she's got her backpack full of our like drinks and snacks, and that's it. So we're not gonna hike all day. This is like a 2-hour hike, so I'll show you all this beautiful scenery. Switch over to the good camera. Here is the beginning of the trail, guys. Laurel Falls self-guided nature trail. We got our New Balance hiking shoes. Oh yeah. So let's hit it. So guys, this trail is like slowly uphill the entire time. We've been walking for about 20 minutes. It's like 50 degrees outside. Got a cool breeze, but the humidity is like 100%, so like we feel like sweaty and wet. So we feel hot and cold at the same time. It's kind of weird, but whatever. We're almost there. Halfway almost, so it'll be worth it. You see this gorgeous, I mean, wow, right, dude? Look at that. It's like so beautiful. I know. And I never hike national parks, but boy oh boy, if you're thinking about coming to one, definitely do it, because the scenes and the views are just awesome.
Mr. Trippy McTrip here.
Yeah, she down there. Not so bad right here, but that's amazing, guys. What do you think of this? Golden rule of hiking, what goes down must come up. So, see if we can get up this damn thing. Oh. This shoe tie break is brought to you by JanSport. Nice butts. Fruit of the Loom underwear. Some discount Target clearance yoga pants. Basically like steps, not too bad here. Hui, hui, hui.
If you walk 3/4 of a mile past the falls, it's like the old forest.
Okay. Continuing up the mountain now, guys. About 10 minutes away from the falls thus far. Pretty trail here. A couple walked by us and warned us that it gets pretty narrow up here and slippery, so to be careful. So another 3/4 of a mile and we're gonna run into the old forest, if you will. I think that's what they call it. It just means that there's a bunch of very old trees that are pretty big that have grown in parts of the forest that is there for nature enduring pleasure. All right, guys, you see some normal trees up in this area here, and then look at this mamma jamma and that mamma jamma. That's about a normal sized tree, but this is what we talk about, the old forest, is how freaking huge this stuff is. It's crazy. Oh my gosh. Look at it. All right, guys, there's a bear up here.
Make it out better. Okay. Thank you. There's another one down there. There's something big in this glass over there. Oh, there is? Obviously a vegetarian. We got it in Maryland. Yogi did. Has to be, yeah. Because that's too small to be on its own, isn't it?
I think.
That's a big, oh, there's a good picture. He's sticking his head through there, but
We need to look for a super big black wall somewhere.
Crashing in the brush.
Yeah.
Yeah.
not needing to climb up here.
Yeah, he needs to get up on that stump and post.
Then he could take his oh, trail. He's up that way earlier.
Oh, really?
There earlier.
Oh,
He's
wow.
coming down. There you go, Marcus. Come on.
Getting focused. He's gonna start charging us here real quick.
Yeah.
I know one thing, I don't run fast enough. So.
You getting pictures, babe?
Yeah, I'm trying.
Oh my god, I got this like perfect.
What's the matter?
You taking pictures now?
Yeah. We hear screaming, we'll know what's going on.
And I don't run fast enough, that's for sure. No, you're not getting better.
That was a human. I thought that was Mama Bear. Eight feet away from a black bear. Nothing will hurt you. Won't hurt the mother. Look at me. Getting this shot.
Okay.
Well, guys, I thought that the falls were going to be the highlight of this trail, but it is the black bear cub that is literally 5 feet off the trail up here. It is unbelievably awesome. So there's that. That's a little bonus clip for you besides the waterfall, just hanging out with a bear. So fun. Check out more bear. A little cub and a mama.